Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to draw this mechanical 3D drawings in Solidworks. This is Solidworks 2015. Before we start the drawing, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. This channel will daily upload with 3D modeling tutorials. Okay, to draw the packs in Solidworks, please open the file, new file path. Okay. Okay, and then choose the unit right here, mmgs, millimeter current seconds. Okay, to start the drawing, make a base frame. It's a rectangle, and choose the view, choose the top to sketch, then sketch that, use the center rectangle, and then dimension is 160. And then choose the feature H2 postbits to the height is 10 millimeter. Okay, 10. Input 10 in here, enter, and then click OK. And then we make a fillet, radius 15 fillets to all packs. Okay, to use fillets, choose the fillets, and then choose the fillet type is constant size fillets, and fillet parameter is right here 1515, and then ident to fillet, select the edges edges SCOI, to use the SCOI and mouse to rotate the view. Okay, now we get this frame. Okay, and then choose the 35 rectangle in here, 35 rectangle right here, click sketch, and normal to this is the normal to value is control 8, control plus 8. Okay, choose the corner rectangle right here, and then the width is 35, and the height is 5. Okay, right click, select. Okay, and then connect the center line to that 2 points, select, and then make this line to vertical. So this is the center. Okay, use the SCOI to orbit, and then the features is to get, and choose the line to through all. Okay, this is the through all. Okay, simple step by steps, and then make a hole, 4 holes, diameter 14. Okay, click sketch, control 8 to normal, and full cycle right here, right here, right here, right here, right click select, and then we make these four cycles to equal relation. Okay, click one click, and then press the control key, click, press the control key, click, hold the control key, click, and then make equal. Okay, smart dimension, choose this, the values is 14. And then now we have the blue drawing, blue sketch. blue sketch is not uh, assigns the dimensioning from the point. So the blue sketch is not good for the drawing. It's not right position. Okay. So to make a position, so this is the 15 from the point. Okay. And 30 from the point. Okay. Smart dimension right here. Let's 15 1 5. Here, play here is 30 30. Now this two connect center line to center line is 30. Okay. And then now the side is blue scale because we don't have this assigned. Okay. This method is our assigned 50 1 5. Now the sketch is black, so it's stable right position. Okay. To use the other point, okay. Smart dimension point to 30, and then choose this point from 15. Then let's choose the center line to connect these two sides here. Select and then click to particle. The smart dimension from that point to that point is 1 5. Very simple. Okay, step by step is to cut. Use the scroll wheel to rotate and then choose the through all. Okay. Okay, very simple. And then make this hole, this half is the slots 24. Okay. Let's sketch, Control A to normal. Use the slot, straight slot. Here, click and then clicks. Select. And then the height is 24 and the center distance is 20. It's okay. Center distance is 20. Enter. And the height is 24. 24. Okay. Now the sketch is not flat because it's not moving. It's moving, no stable. Okay. And to click right to that you see at origin. Here the coincident mark is sketch. Okay, plus sketch is okay. Then use this 2 post to that height is 22. And we make a hole from that point is 16. Click, sketch, Control 8, slots, here, here, here. And then the line is 20, 20, and that point is 16. And choose that line to origin. Coincident. Okay, the sketch is plus. Okay, then use cut to blind to through all. Okay, very simple. Now you get a complete drawing. Same sketch. Okay. To make a color, this drawing, appearance, and then choose the color you want. Okay, click and save. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.